Hello and welcome to a series of learning videos presenting the COREQ game from Complete College America. This video will discuss the goals of the game and introduce you to the 4 kinds of cards you'll be playing during the game. Later videos will discuss the setup and basic rules, show you some of the gameplay in action, and demonstrate what will happen at key moments during the game. In the COREQ game, you will be playing the role of a student starting their college journey, and your goal is to pass the Gateway college-level math or English class. But not all students start in the same position. Based on an evaluation of your preparedness, the college has placed you in one of 3 different remedial classes, or in a co-requisite course that you take at the same time as the college-level course. The game lasts for 6 semesters, and each semester has 5 rounds of card play. Remember, your aim is to pass the college-level course. Your starting position may have you beginning close to your goal or far from it. The cards you draw each semester, and how you play them, will determine your success in passing that semester's class and making progress toward your academic goal. Let's look at the 4 different types of student success cards a little more closely. Most of them are good, but some of them are obstacles that will get in the way of your goals. Learning cards represent the positive things that you are doing in your education, forming a study group with your peers, for example. These cards give immediate success points and move you closer to passing the class you're in. Pedagogy cards represent teaching techniques and classroom structures. For example, you might have a class that builds in regular review of the earlier foundational material from the course. These kinds of cards can team up with support cards to create success points as well. Support cards represent resources, events, or actions at the college and in your community. Perhaps you're also taking a helpful first-year experience class this semester, or maybe you visit the tutoring center. Connecting these with good pedagogy can also lead to academic success. But support cards could be used in a different way instead, counteracting the negative effects of challenge cards. These are immediate and often unexpected roadblocks. Missing an important deadline or not submitting a required college form, for example. Challenge cards may cost you precious success points you need to pass your current class, or they could cause you to lose turns, stopping you from getting and playing new cards. Or they could force you to lose a pedagogy card representing missed classroom experiences. The right support at just the right moment can counteract these challenges and keep you moving forward on the path toward your goal. In our next video, we'll go into the specifics of how to set up the COREQ game and get you ready to play.